Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy at home with a mixer. Start by adding 1 cup sugar and a pinch of salt to a saucepan, gently heat with flavor and color. Then spin sugar by touching the hot syrup to a whisk attached to your mixer while rotating a cone or stick around the whisk to collect strands. Use gloves and a shield and cool cones on a clean surface. Gather 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon clear flavor extract, and a drop of gel color. Line up cones and keep a small bowl of powdered sugar on hand to dust sticks so strands stick faster. Dry your mixing whisk and bowl thoroughly, then set the mixer on a stable surface with a low guard or shield in place to protect your hands from hot sugar during spinning. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like if you find the video helpful. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and keep delicate treats fluffy. They're perfect for storing homemade cotton candy between uses and preventing moisture. I love using them to keep portions fresh and transportable, so check the description for the link and other deals. And now let's get back to the video. Heat sugar gently until it reaches a thin syrup consistency, watching closely to avoid caramelizing. Attach a whisk to your mixer and run it at medium speed, dipping a spoonful of syrup and flicking it outward to create threads, while spinning a cone slowly to gather cotton candy. Work in short 10 to 20-second bursts to keep sugar from burning, and always wear gloves and eye protection for safety while handling hot syrup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.